Alright, I'll show you a C9 then. This is a nice chord because if you can already play the G major, all you need to do is move these two, first and second finger, up a string, and you have a C9, okay? So for this one, we've got our first finger on the D string, 2nd fret, second finger on the A string, 3rd fret, and then these two are gonna go on the top there, on the 3 on the B and the 3 on the E. And you wanna avoid the bottom E string there, okay? So this is a nice one if you wanna go between G and C9. It's nice and easy. Okay, if you're struggling with your normal C major chord, you can play this one, you know, just while you're practicing that C major, but make sure you practice that real C as well. C9.